Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be styling this wig. This wig is by RPGSHOW. This is like a honey blonde with like caramel highlights, middle part 13x6 HD frontal, and I'm just going to show you how I install it and also just a quick styling. Yeah, this is 20 inches. I love the length. It's just giving like sophisticated and grown. So the hairline was plucked and bleached as well. You can wear it glueless and I love the color too. So I'm gonna go straight into the video and just show you how I install this wig. This is really pretty, real cute. I just love such a nice texture. The quality of the hair is always great. So I'll put the info down below as per usual. Let me know if you would rock this style. This is so pretty, and the hair feels so soft and so luxurious. Definitely can't wait to play around with it a bit more and put some more layers, but yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.